Today we're going to show you how you can structure your business model and become a high-earning personal trainer. More specifically, we're talking exactly about how you can make over $100,000 in this industry. And it's not as impossible as it may seem. I'll walk you through 5 proven ways to generate more income and reach that 6-figure mark in your own business. Method number 1 is focusing on longer commitment, one-on-one, high-ticket programs. Now that sounded like a mouthful, but here's what I mean by that. One-on-one coaching is the foundation for most personal trainers. So when you charge premium rates and build a solid clientele, it's possible to make some serious income. For example, let's say you charge $75 per hour. If you work with 20 clients a week, that is 80 hours per month. You're looking at $6,000 per month or $72,000 per year. Not bad, right? It's a good start, but what's the downside? Juggling 20 clients actually comes with a lot of added labor, and there's gonna be a lot of time spent in communication, scheduling, admin, just to juggle those 20 clients. So what's the solution? You could actually generate the same amount of money by structuring your offering as more of a premium package and delivering a top-tier experience to only 10 clients for a higher cost and at a longer time commitment. So if you sign with 10 clients on a premium package for, let's say, $650 per month, you can put them at a 6-month minimum, which means that that's a guaranteed $6,500 per month for a half a year locked in. It's also way easier to maintain the existing clients and get them to renew packages every 6 months or 12 months, rather than to find brand new clients from scratch every single time. Now, in order to increase the value of that program, you can build in additional offerings such as nutrition coaching, habit coaching, weekly sessions and check-ins, and offer more of a 360-degree solution as opposed to just a one-off $75 personal training session. With all of that added value comes not only more accountability, but also a higher percentage chance that your clients will be successful and have a better experience. Using a platform like ABC Trainerize, you can actually create a training program that includes all of these elements and packages them up nicely into a neat little app that your clients can have on their phone. So that's a really nice solution. Using this model, you'll have less clients to manage, and each high-ticket client can have a lot more of your attention, which is an added benefit to them and to you because you have more time and bandwidth to put towards other areas of your business, such as the following methods that we're going to talk about, like method 2. So method 2 for hitting $100,000 per year as a personal trainer is offering group training classes. Instead of just doing one-on-one sessions, you can scale your business by training multiple people at once. So let's say you run a group class with 10 people at $25 per head. That's $250 in one session. Group classes can include anything from HIIT to boot camps to niche programs, yoga, Pilates, you name it. Whatever your niche is, group classes are a great way to give value, but also earn more because you're training more people at once. If you run 3 or 4 group classes per week, it could quickly add up into a solid chunk of your income. So think about it. 3 classes a week at $250 each, that's over $36,000 per year just from group sessions. Also, some of the people from these group classes might also convert to high-ticket one-on-one clients. So this could be a way to bring in new people and then have them continue training with you at a higher price point. So it's a great way to bring in new leads as well. Method 3 is to create an online training program that's low touch. So earlier we talked about high touch, high budget options, but every coach should also offer some sort of affordable low touch program. Low touch basically means like a one-size-fits-all program that you can sell for a lower price point. So people are gonna buy this, they're gonna go about it themselves, it's gonna be self-directed, there's no bells and whistles, but it's just a basic plan that anyone can buy and use on their own. By offering this, if someone can't afford your more expensive one-on-one coaching, you still have something to offer them. So instead of charging $650 a month for premium coaching, perhaps you sell a 12-week bootcamp program that's a one-time fee of $150. If 200 people were to buy that program, that's $30,000 right there. And the best part is that you don't even need to be in the same location as those clients. People can buy it from all over the world as part of like your online offering, and that is a really good option for people with a large online following or presence or a global audience. Using the ABC Trainerize platform, you can also build your program to be completely automated. So the second somebody buys your program online, the content will automatically be emailed to them and there's no extra effort on your end. Okay, method number 4 is corporate wellness programs. More and more companies are offering corporate fitness programs to their employees, and this can really be a goldmine for personal trainers and coaches. You can partner with businesses to offer on-site classes, wellness workshops, or even virtual fitness classes for their employees. So companies will often have budgets for this kind of thing, and it's a great way to bring in a steady income. You can easily make $1,000 to $2,000 a month on corporate clients, and if you land multiple ongoing contracts, you can supplement your annual income, giving you that boost you need to hit $100,000 per year. Plus, this is a great way to diversify your income while establishing yourself as an expert in the corporate fitness world. Okay, method number 5 is a little bit counterintuitive, but it is reinvest in your business. So although this seems counterintuitive, typically time and money invested in your business will pay dividends in the long run. For example, if there are specialty certifications that you need to offer more services, like perhaps nutrition coaching, get that certification and knowledge so that you can offer another additional service and you will make that money back. Also, invest in your clients. So you can do small gestures that make your high ticket clients feel really special. So a simple $20 gift card on their birthday to like Starbucks or a place that you know they like to go is a really thoughtful gesture that shows you pay attention and you care about them. Happy customers are gonna stay training with you longer because of the personal one-on-one connection you've built. And not only that, they're gonna go ahead and refer you to friends, family, colleagues, or anyone who's looking for a coach. So do these little things as an investment in your business as well as investment in your clients. Another way you can invest in your business is possibly having a part-time employee. So if you realize that a part-time employee could help you scale your sales efforts and land more high-ticket clients, do the math and see if that makes sense. If it will increase your overall profit, it might actually be worthwhile to spend a little more upfront. Or if you need a platform to save yourself time and manage your business more effectively, spend the money so you can put your energy where it counts, which is bringing in more high-paying clients. So there you have it. That's 5 ways to help hit your $100,000 per year goal. All of these revenue generation strategies can be used together or independently, and basically find your perfect mix as a personal trainer. Some people are gonna love corporate fitness, some people might not, but they're gonna wanna do more group fitness on top of one-on-one and maybe having online programs. So figure out what mix works for you, and with these things in mind, we know you can get to the $100,000 mark. For anyone wanting to scale their business and give ABC Trainerize a try, check out our free trial link in the description below.